Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I'm IAMSAEKOMARLEY. If this is your first time here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I style my hair using the finger coiling method. What you're seeing now is my hair after a week of product buildup. I'll be using Shea Moisture's Detox and Refresh Gentle Shampoo and the same exact conditioner. Be sure to focus the shampoo on your scalp and use your fingertips to really get in there. Don't scratch or use your nails. Once I shampoo my scalp thoroughly, I like to make sure it's covered completely. When conditioning, make sure you detangle completely and keep adding more if you need to. You want your hair to take in all that moisture. Now I'll go ahead and rinse it out. To start the finger coiling process, I'll be using As I Am leave-in conditioner, Whole Blends coconut oil, and Wetline Xtreme gel. You'll also need a spray bottle, a rat tail comb, and a pick. We'll start off by separating the hair into smaller sections so it's easier to work with. First, I'll detangle the section I'm working with and I'll add some coconut oil onto it. Then I'll add the leave-in conditioner. Using a dime-size amount of gel, run it through your hair, making sure to add extra gel on the ends because that's what will frizz first. Then I'll split that section into a smaller section and detangle it again with the rat tail comb to be sure that the ends are completely detangled and it'll coil nicely. To start coiling, I'll get a small amount of hair and then I'll begin parting with my finger. Twist them tightly until you feel you've twisted up until the root to get the best results. The spray bottle comes in handy when the rest of your hair begins to dry. Continue coiling. Continue coiling. I went ahead and did a small diagonal part in the middle off camera. Add some gel on the hair on the sides of the part to make sure that it'll lay down nicely. When I'm completely done, I'll do my edges with a toothbrush and the same gel. And this is my finger coils after air drying overnight. If you're inspired to try finger coiling, let me know how it turned out.